Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Crypto Wolf, and today we have some very important crypto news and information for everyone who is a crypto investor or trader. As you can see, today the Bitcoin price went back below $19,000 as the crypto market falls following the US inflation data. So we had the CPI data coming out, and as we can see on the charts, let's take a very quick look at that. We had a massive dumping. It's not that massive, but it was very quick that we have dumped from the data, and we can see it's a move of around 3-4% in like 3 hours. And now already in another 3 hours we are retesting this, and we retested it with a wick on the hourly. We are gonna close in 20 minutes from now, but it looks like we are not gonna be able to break through to the upside, so we will retest this as resistance. First it was support, now it's resistance, and there's a very high probability we will go lower for Bitcoin. If we look at the fundamentals and at the technicals, for me, the market is still very bearish, and we will be forming a bottom in the coming 3 months in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what are your opinions and what is your look at the market right now. Also, as you can see, we had a trend line right here, and the wick right here touched the new wick, this one. So yeah, now it's looking where are we heading for Bitcoin. There's a high probability we will come down to 17,600 in between 16,400. But I will keep you updated on the channel for the technical things. Now let's take a look at some very important information of today. You can see that the core US inflation hits 6.6%. It's the highest point since 1982. So that's 40 years ago that we are at the highest point right now. So keep that in mind, people. We are in some very lifetime opportunities in all markets. So I understand that you're scared, but this is the time to start slowly entering the market. And if you have never entered the market before, this is the time to start looking at potential small altcoins or do some investment in very good fundamental projects, or you just take the big top 10 of crypto or some valuable stocks such as Tesla, Amazon. There's a lot of opportunity in the financial markets right now, so do not miss that, I would say. What do you think of this? Is this an opportunity? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment, guys. What do you think about those things that are happening in the world right now? We can also see that in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin was trading 3.8% lower than before. And for Ethereum, this is almost the double at 6.2%. This is because we have the CPI data coming out at 8.2%, and this is the highest point since 1982. So as you can see also here, word on the street, to make it very quick take, there is a lot of probability that we will have a lot more downside to come. So stay ready. Do not FOMO in and buy the dip immediately with all your money, and when it dips more you cannot buy anything anymore. Please do not do that. Follow this channel, subscribe to the channel, join our Telegram group, and make sure to be ready for the next bull run. So as we can see right here, we have over 8 billion outflows of Bitcoin within hours after the US inflation hits 8.2%. So you could see immediately there was a drop. A lot of Bitcoin was flowing out from the market cap of Bitcoin, and you could see a big loss in only 2 hours. There was a loss of 8.48 billion in the market cap in just 2 hours. So that's really quick, and you can see that a lot of people are like on the edge of their toes, or how to say it. Everyone is very nervous, and from the smallest thing that's happening, everyone reacts like overreacting. You can see that in the markets right now, and I already saw it coming because the last week we do not had any price action in BTC, and now today we have the price action. And if we look at this chart, it still looks bearish to me. Also, as you can see, also Bitcoin is nearing 17k, and this is the zone to watch for, as I said before in my YouTube video, because the miner can dump. So the people that are mining BTC, they can start dumping their BTC tokens that they mine, and this will trigger another big leg down. So this is very, very possible. Just keep that in mind. Also, if you look at the monthly chart, you will see we can still go way lower to around 12k. That's around my target, between 10 to 12k. We will definitely hit that in my opinion, but nothing is guaranteed. So also do not keep focusing and hoping on that. That's why I say start entering the market slowly. That's the best thing to do. Also, something you have to keep in mind, the last times Bitcoin is not volatile like before. So we are trading very stable than stocks. So we are even trading more stable than stocks. So this is raising concerns also when we have volatility, that it will be very high, the volatility, and it can be very fast to the downside or the upside. So make sure to stay tuned on this channel. So you can see the US inflation for September worse than expected. A lot of pain for stocks and crypto. Today they are releasing the CPA data. There's also an article about what's happening today. And I will just show you this. As you can see, Bitcoin reacts at once to the hot CPE. Bam, we have a massive drop. And then high odds, BTC will see new yearly lows over the weekend. I would not be a buyer. So make sure to stay tuned this weekend. Watch the price closely, watch the news, because a lot of things can happen this month. And as I said it before on the channel, my projection for the price is around the end of October, we will start getting stable again, more in crypto, start accumulating, the prices will not be that volatile, and then we will slowly get in an uptrend again and break the previous downtrend of like 1 year we have now. I have another article here also, US inflation bad, but it could be worse. Markets react as they say, and a lot of things it could be worse. So that's why I'm holding my patience and just waiting from the side now and seeing what's happening instead of putting myself to the max risk and stress myself out. Please do not do that. That's something I would recommend to everyone. Just get the knowledge, get smarter by looking from the sidelines, and you can potentially trade with a demo account or take some small investments on spot without leverage for the future. So that was it for the Bitcoin price and the information behind the CPA data that was very important today. And now to end the video, I have some bullish news, not only bearish news. I have some bullish news to make you a bit more happy. If you know Willy Woo, he's a very respectful man in crypto, very smart guy. Go check him out on Twitter if you do not know who I'm talking about. But he said Bitcoin will hit 1 billion active users in the next 3 years. So that's very, very bullish, people. Also, here you can see Willy Woo claims that in 3 years, 12% of the population will be using Bitcoin. That would be huge. So as you can see right here, in the first 6 months of BTC, the number of users reached 1,000 people. Man, these are very lucky 1,000 people. That's what I can say. Let me know in the comments if you agree with that. They were giving away free Bitcoin in that time. Now we're paying like 19k for one. Insane. After 5 years, there were 1 million. So we have 1,000x in 5 years. And currently, after 13.8 years after inception, the Bitcoin network has more than 300 million users. So as you can see right now, 5 years, we take that off, this is 9 years, we did 1,000, so that's a million, it would be 1,000 million. We did not do 1,000x, but it's very decent, it's very good growing, as you can see right here. So we have the world population, the adoption curves, the internet users, and here is the Bitcoin chart. So as you can see right here, 1990 until like 2000, something like that, 2000, it really popped off. So as we can see right here, there is a high possibility this chart will in the future. So yeah, that's something very, very bullish for Bitcoin in the future. As I say, this is a buying market, not a selling market. So I would not know why you start panicking so much. You should be happy that we have these low prices and get in slowly. That's my only advice that I can give to the people. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is just common sense. A lot of interesting things are happening in quarter four of the year. So stay tuned to this channel, put on your notifications, and I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.